So Rudy Giuliani made what might be the most ridiculous argument in his looming case, in the looming charges facing him. He's basically trying to argue that because he's a distinguished lawyer and a distinguished public figure and the former lawyer of a high-profile candidate, which is the former president of the United States, Donald Trump, he's basically too important to face justice. That in essence, his evidence should be hidden because of his importance. This is literally what he's arguing. This is according to the New York Times and other sources that have gotten a hold of court documents from Rudy and his legal team, saying in 17 pages basically, I'm so famous, I'm so great, I'm so important, I'm more important than the regular working class Americans, and so the standard of justice they face, I shouldn't have to face. One, how offensive is that? How offensive is it for rich people who already have all the advantages in the world in the courtroom to therefore come out and blatantly say, you should rig it in my favor? But also, it really does show that Rudy is absolutely screwed. Because remember what Rudy said when this all kicked off. Remember what he said when he went on Tucker Carlson and what he said to the media. I didn't delete anything. They have all my phones, all my electronic devices. I got nothing to hide. They can look all they want, but I'm innocent. And now that it's actually hitting him and the case is real, he's trying to hide what they found on his phones, what they found on his computer, what they found on his iCloud, under the basis that he's too rich and famous and powerful to face justice like regular plebs like you and me. And so it really does show that he's absolutely sinking. You can almost understand now why he's begging for help from Donald Trump, why he's begging for more money from Donald Trump to pay for a legal team, because currently his lawyers are obviously way out of their depth if the only argument they can make is, please, Mr. Judge, please treat our client differently because his name's Rudy Giuliani. Otherwise, he's going to jail. If I had lawyers like that, I might want some new goddamn lawyers too. So this is where we're at. We literally have Rudy Giuliani in court making these arguments that because he's rich and powerful and well-known, he should not have to surrender evidence that anyone else would. And again, this was not evidence obtained in a controversial manner. They would not search Rudy's apartment unless they were absolutely sure they needed to and they had worthwhile evidence. Because I guarantee you, Rudy already did get special treatment. If there was any doubt, they would not have searched Rudy. Some random working class person of color, they would just burst right in. We saw what happened to Breonna Taylor. Police will burst in to a working class person's home, to a black person's home. Someone like Rudy, they cross their T's and dot their I's. So you damn well know Rudy got every benefit of the doubt. But I love this because it really does show that the rich people think they're better than us. But it also shows that he doesn't have a leg to stand on, and that whether Donald Trump lets him twist in the wind or whether Rudy flips on Donald Trump, some of these scumbags are going down, and they're going down crying like little babies.